Hello students, it's great to be with you again, and today we're going to talk about how to learn a new piece away from our instrument. So when we don't have our instrument with us, we can still learn a new piece. As long as we know what the notes are and we can sing the melody, then we can practice the fingerings by doing finger taps. When we're playing hot cross buns on the cello and doing finger taps, we have to remember that the main fingers are open D, and then we have one finger for the note E, and then we put 2 and 3 down for the note F sharp. Alright, so that's F sharp, this is E, and this is D. And you've got 3 levels. The highest note is F sharp, or when I sing F, and then E is one finger, and then open D is no fingers. So when we do the finger numbers, we fold our thumb over, place our 1 and our 2 and our 3 down. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 1, D. Place your 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, D, 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 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, D. Good job. Let's do it again. Fold your thumb, 1, 2, and 3, making nice round fingers. With our fingers tapping right on the tips. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 1, D. 3, 1, D, 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 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, D. Good job. Okay, now we're going to just sing through the note name. So F sharp, we're going to shorten it to F. One finger is E and then open D, as we know. All right, so place your 3. 1, 2, ready, go. F, E, D. Place your 1, 2, 3. F, E, D. D, 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 E, 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 F, E, D. Good, let's do it one more time. Fold your thumbs, place your 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, ready, sing. F, E, D. 1, 2, 3. F, E, D. D, 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 E, 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 F, E, D. Awesome. Let's sing it with the lyrics of this nursery rhyme or song. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Hot cross buns. Hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny. Hot cross buns. Let's try it one last time. 1, 2, ready, go. Hot cross buns. Hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny. Hot cross buns. And give it a shake. Good job. The great thing about finger taps is that you can do it anywhere, even on the beach. Let's do hot cross buns for the cello right now. Find your 3 finger for the F sharp. 1, 2, ready, go. Hot cross buns. 1 and 3, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. And it's super fun.